Iran has recently introduced two new stealth warships, referred to as Cybertrucks, which are set to be deployed to the Persian Gulf. These 600-ton vessels are equipped with cruise and anti-ship missiles and are prepared to disrupt operations near the waters where Iran's proxy is currently engaging in warfare against commercial shipping. Iran has issued a warning that they are combat-ready and will respond to any threats in the Red Sea. The Iranian Navy has unveiled two new Soleimani-class corvettes, named after the assassinated former chief of Iran's terrorist wing, the Islamist Revolutionary Guard Corps General Qasem Soleimani. The martyr Syed Shirazi and martyr Hassan Bagheri have been showcased by Iran as world-class and designed and produced inside Islamic Iran despite international sanctions. These 65-m-long warships can travel at 45 knots 52 mph and are capable of striking targets over 700 kilometers away. These formidable vessels are heavily armed with missile and air defense systems, including Iran's new Naval vertical launch system for missiles for 20 mm, triple-barreled Gatling guns, a 30 mm autocannon, 16 Syed series SAMs, and 6 Abu Mahdi naval cruise missiles. The ships also carry a combat helicopter and 3 attack boats. Rear Admiral Alireza Tangsiri stated on state TV that the warships aim to spread a message of peace. However, he also issued a chilling warning. But if ill-wishers sought to create a problem, the vessel would bear the message of readiness. In the face of the enemies, we enjoy complete readiness and should be constantly ready. In the same context, the drills that we hold in the region is indicative of our readiness. These warships are headed towards the Persian Gulf and onto the Arabian Sea, not far from where Iran-backed Houthi rebels have been terrorizing cargo ships in the Red Sea for months. Iran began experimenting with stealth-oriented twin-hull designs in 2016 before commissioning their own small fleet. Observers suggest that this indicates Iran's intention to move beyond its speedboat-dominated coastal defense strategy and become a genuine naval power. Armed Forces Deputy Chief of Staff Aziz Nasirzadeh stated that Iran intends to develop the nation's regional and extra-regional power in the seas toward the Indian Ocean. This announcement comes as the crew of a UK-registered merchant vessel were forced to abandon their ship after a double Houthi missile strike left it sinking in the treacherous Bab el-Mandeb Strait. The attack on the 170-meter-long Ruby Mar was the most damaging since October 23, when Houthi rebels escalated their attacks in response to the Israel-Gaza war. The U.S. has also announced that the Red Sea is facing a new deadly threat from underwater drones. The Houthi rebels have deployed an unmanned underwater vehicle for the first time, as revealed by America's CENTCOM headquarters. The U.S. did not release details of the underwater drone it destroyed. Iran has recently showcased a new, devastating, and secretive homegrown submarine drone that can dive as deep as 200 meters. This new addition to Iran's arsenal operates like a torpedo, moving stealthily towards its target before detonating. In a recent development, the U.S. Red Sea Task Force reported that it had destroyed a mini-submarine, a surface maritime drone, and 3 anti-ship cruise missiles over the weekend. All 5 weapons were deemed an imminent threat to U.S. warships and merchant vessels in the region, according to CENTCOM. Images have surfaced allegedly showing the wreckage of a U.S. drone after it was shot down by Houthi rebels in the Red Sea. The militia group reportedly downed the MQ-9 in the port city of Hodeidah, as stated by Houthi military spokesman Yahya Sarria. So, who are the Houthis? The Houthi rebels, a Shia militant group that now controls most of Yemen, have been launching persistent missile and drone attacks on vessels and warships in the Red Sea. Over a decade, they were largely ignored by the world as Iran funneled weapons and money to them. However, since the outbreak of the Israel-Gaza war, they have sprung from relative obscurity to holding roughly £1 trillion of world trade hostage, turning one of the world's busiest shipping lanes into an active war zone. Their slogan is, "Death to America, death to Israel, curse the Jews, and victory to Islam." The rebel group has been launching relentless drone and missile attacks on any ships, including warships, they deem to be connected with Israel, in solidarity with their ally, Hamas. However, in reality, there have been frequent attacks on commercial vessels, with little or no link to Israel, forcing global sea traffic to halt operations in the region and sending shipping prices soaring. The sea assaults have threatened to ignite a full-blown war in the Middle East as intense ripples from Israel's war in Gaza are felt across the region, with Iran suspected of stoking the chaos. Houthi attacks in the Red Sea increased 50% between November and December, as the rebel group's chiefs pledged their assaults would continue until Israel stopped its offensive in Gaza. And despite repeated threats from the West and joint US and UK strikes blitzing their strongholds in Yemen, Iran's terror proxy appears undeterred. Iran's homegrown new marine drones may have been used by the Houthi rebels in the attack. These developments highlight the escalating tensions and complex dynamics in the region.